Have you ever watched out for this inner chatterbox that goes on and on? What might happen tomorrow? What if I lose my job? How about X, Y, and Z? Welcome to Dream and Win. This is Saranya. In this video, we are going to share 3 key points from the book Power of Now. Let's jump into the video to explore what do we mean by living in the moment. Lesson number 1. You are not your thoughts. Our mind is a machine that generates thoughts, and these thoughts occur when there is a movement, whether it could be the past or the present. We all have n number of thoughts that run around us every time. Sometimes we are not even conscious it's happening to us. Now start observing what is happening to your body for each thought that is generated. It is natural that sometimes we gain complete control over our thoughts, and other times we have little control and even no control. For some of us, it's the same thought we are fighting over and over. Do not resist them, nor judge yourself for not being able to control them. Understand that they have no control over you unless you believe in it. Allow your thoughts to flow. There are 3 types of people in this world. One who hold on to the past and ask why this happened, why that happened, I should have done this, she should have done that. The other who thinks future is the only life. They keep running at the rat race, and if you ask them even to go and watch a movie, they would say tomorrow. Third type of people establish that everything is an illusion. These friends don't believe in any planning, and they go against any hard work or future goals. One of my favorite quotes says, past is your lesson, present is your gift, and future is your motivation. The book calls you to balance your energy between these 3. Never try to stop or resist your thoughts, which is your greatest gift. Allow it to freely flow and make sure to choose which one you want to act upon. Most of your negative thoughts never come true. From the time we wake up in the morning until the time we go to sleep, how many times in a day does our mind jump into yesterday or tomorrow? Even if we imagine about 10 years from now, we are still going to call it today as it arrives. Universe has given us a great machine called mind to calculate and give us some results. It is not necessary that these results have to be true always. Use your own experience and write down your own negative thoughts which were there before, and ask yourself how many of them actually happened. Today you take a pen and paper and write down at least 3 negative thoughts that never happened, and realize for yourself whether it is the impact of the negative situation or it is the fear of the negative situation that is affecting you. Leave a comment below of at least 1 negative thought that never came true in your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.